Ever tried changing a ceiling rose in a concrete ceiling? Most people quit when they hear reinforced concrete. Not me. Let me show you how it's done, properly. We're using an SDS drill, safety tricks, and clean wiring to go from old school to modern in under 10 minutes. And no, it's not just about the tools, it's the technique.
Hi, I'm Denise from Royal Installation. Welcome to another one of our installs. This time we're installing a pendant light in a concrete ceiling. This is a pendant light. You can see it's broken where the lamp holder was. Oh no! Okay, so before you start, the most important thing that you really do need to ensure is that the power is switched off and that you're not working live. So we're going to isolate the circuit before we start.
Always ensure that you turn off the electricity supply before exposing any live connections. If you are unsure about working with electricity, then please consult a registered electrician.
Okay, so we're at the fuse board now and we're going to isolate the circuit. This one says lights ground floor, which we're going to switch off and make sure that it's dead. This is the RCD that we could switch off for that circuit. And if you're really not sure, because this is a key factor, you can switch off the breaker for everything. Maybe I should have got a torch before I done that. But yeah, this pendant light here. Okay, so we got this pendant light here and it's broken, as you can see. It's damaged. Like this. So we're going to change the light fitting to a bulkhead fitting, which is this one here. As you can see, it's got the LEDs fittings. So this is going to be flush to the ceiling.
Some of the materials in here were used in the ceiling pendant lights we installed. You can watch how we replaced the old ones with the new pendants in this other video.
Okay, I'm going to mark the holes for the drill. As you can see, I've made a drill hole for the drill. And in terms of safety, always make sure you have your PPE, which is your mask, pair of goggles, using an SDS drill.
This video is not sponsored by DeWalt. However, we are affiliated with them and may earn a small commission from any purchases made. You'll find the link in the description below.
Okay, so in terms of the connection, we've got the switch line and the neutral, which is connected for the light. As we said before, these are LED strips. Once this goes, throw away the light and you replace it with a new fitting. Now. I'm going to strip this one down a little bit more. Lights on. So it's probably a good idea just to check and make sure that it actually works. Then we're just going to put on the cover. There you go. That's how you install a light on the concrete ceiling. Okay, thank you for watching. As you can see, we've made another customer happy, and stay tuned.